Wagwan, everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Patrick and this is the Big Up Jamaica channel. Here we talk about all things Jamaica. We will discuss everything from headline news, entertainment, history, music, sports, culture, and more. So make sure you subscribe so you can keep up to date with all things Jamaica. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video of the Why Do Jamaicans series, we will be discussing why do Jamaicans run so fast. From Usain Bolt to Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Jamaica has produced some of the fastest humans on the planet. But why? What makes this small Caribbean island a sprinting powerhouse? Today, we're diving deep into the real reasons why Jamaicans run so fast. Jamaica has dominated the 100 meters and 200 meters sprints for decades. The world's fastest man, Usain Bolt, and the fastest woman alive, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, both hail from this tiny island of just 3 million people. But this dominance isn't luck, it's legacy. It all starts in childhood. In Jamaica, running isn't just a sport, it's a culture. From early school days, kids race barefoot in the streets, across fields, and in school competitions. Every year, the famous champs, the inter-secondary schools, boys and girls championships, turns the entire nation into a track and field frenzy. Scouts, fans, and families all tune in, searching for the next big star. Some scientists believe genetics play a part. Many Jamaicans have ancestry from West Africa, where sprinting-friendly muscle fibers, especially fast-twitch ones, are more common. But it's not just DNA. Jamaicans grow up eating natural, homegrown foods like yams, sweet potatoes, and bananas, high-energy superfoods that fuel explosive power and endurance. Then there's the training. Jamaica's coaches are world-class. They've built a system that focuses on technique, discipline, and mindset. Local clubs like Racers and MVP are world-renowned, producing Olympic champions year after year without needing massive budgets or fancy facilities. But perhaps the most powerful ingredient is pride. Jamaicans run with heart for their family, their school, and their country. Every race is a chance to prove that this little island can take on the world and win. From Bolt to the next generation, the sprinting fire burns bright. Jamaica isn't just fast, it's fearless. And the next legend, they might already be training right now, somewhere in Kingston or So the next time you see a Jamaican fly down the track, remember it's not magic. It's culture, talent, and pure determination. What do you think? Why do you think Jamaicans run so fast? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, big up yourself and walk good. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out the playlists section of my channel. There you will find all my videos conveniently arranged by the various genres such as history, true crime, music, culture, tourism, etc. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be instantly notified for new videos on all things Jamaica. See you on the next one.